Hello, everyone. There were a lot of issues regarding the payment of the result committee, which was formed. You know that when 10th and 12th results had to be prepared, there was a result committee formed with the observer or the external from an outside school. And there was an internal committee formed under the supervision of the head of the institution or the principal. So a lot of queries have been coming in how to claim that. So we've been writing mails to CBSE and some response we are getting, some are not getting. The helplines are quite busy. So now what the CBSE has done, they have created an IPS integrated payment system. So this video is a short video explaining how to claim the amount, right? So what you need to do is basically go to the CBSE website. So if you allow me to share my screen here, we just have to go to the CBSE website, that is www.cbse.nic.in. So I'm going to demonstrate what needs to be done. So it will go to the website and you can claim that amount very easily. So I'm taking you to the CBSE website first. So www.cbse.nic.in. Right. So as educators, we all know this website. We are very familiar. So here we get 4 options: the main website, SARAS, results, and the academic committee, right? So what we are interested is in going to the main website. So we'll click on main website. So when we go to the main website, we will get more options. So what we are interested is in the options called this IPS. So this is a new portal which has been added. There were lots of other portals have been created, and they are trying to make the whole thing digital so that we don't have to visit the office and we don't have to do follow up with mails. So I think this is great. So what you need to do is select this IPS integrated payment systems. So when I click on IPS, we get this page, integrated payment system, online direct bank transfer system for affiliation and examination functionaries. So it's a very easy portal. So here also you get 3 options. One is affiliation. So if your school is applying for affiliation and or you are part of the inspection committee and you are claiming the payment for that, you will click on affiliation. Then there is board exams and competitive exams. So right now I'm explaining to you about the school result committee payment. So I'll go to the second option and click on this board exam school result committee payments. So when I click on that, I will get a simplified payment portal. So what happens is that I need to select what was the exam, select exam type. So the amount is directly going to be transferred to the bank account. So you have to select what was the duty about. There's a CTET and school result committee. So I'm going to choose school result committee because I was part of the school result committee and I'm claiming that amount, right? Then you have to select your role. So if you're applying as an institution, please select principal or head of the institution, or if you are his or her nominee, then probably you also can apply as principal or head of institution. Then the user ID and password of the school needs to be, which has been given to you. This, every school has been given a user ID or a mobile number. So once you enter that mobile number here, you will be getting an OTP. And when you provide that OTP, you will be able to log into the site and you will be able to log in and claim this amount that is due to you. You can provide all the details and the amount is directly transferred to the bank account of the beneficiary. So I hope this explains the procedure of how to claim the amount, and normally within 10 to 15 days, the payments are coming. So it's quite an easy procedure. Thank you. I hope the session was clear. And for other claim of amounts also, they'll be adding this. So earlier we had to write letters through Harkara portal and do follow-ups. But this integrated payment systems, gradually they will extend to other areas as well. So thank you so much.